What if I told you that just 3 minutes, 3 times a day, could unlock the life you've been dreaming of? What if the secret to transforming your reality lies not in struggle, but in mastering the power of your own mind? Today, I'll show you how a simple, disciplined practice can change everything you have within you, a reservoir of mental energy far greater than you have ever realized, a force that quietly shapes every moment of your life. Most people live their days as if they are powerless, reacting to circumstances, believing that change comes from the outside. But the truth is that everything you experience, every success, every challenge, every emotion, originates in your mind first. Your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, they are the architects of your reality. When you begin to understand this, when you consciously tap into this inner power, you unlock a world of possibilities that previously seemed impossible. This energy is always present, but it requires awareness and direction to channel it effectively. The ordinary mind drifts through life, distracted and scattered, while the trained mind harnesses this energy with precision, using it to influence outcomes, solve problems, and attract opportunities. Imagine for a moment that every thought you have is like a seed. If you plant seeds of doubt, fear, and hesitation, your life becomes overgrown with obstacles and limitations. But if you plant seeds of clarity, intention, and positive expectation, the world around you begins to align with your inner vision. This is not magic. It is a law of the mind, a principle as natural as gravity. The moment you recognize that you can direct this energy, that you can focus it with intention, everything begins to shift. You begin to see patterns and solutions that others overlook, and you approach challenges with confidence and creativity rather than anxiety and uncertainty. Each day that you consciously engage this power, it grows stronger, more precise, and more aligned with your true desires. The key is awareness and practice, taking time to quiet the external noise, to enter a state of calm focus, and to intentionally direct your thoughts toward the life you wish to create. Your mind is not just a passive recorder of events, it is an active creator capable of shaping your body, your emotions, and the world around you. When you awaken to this truth, you step into your full potential, realizing that you have always held the tools to transform your reality, to rise above limitations, and to live with purpose and clarity. The power is inside you, waiting to be recognized, nurtured, and directed, and once you begin, there is no turning back from the life you were meant to live. By learning to enter a calm, focused state of mind, you unlock a level of awareness that few ever experience, a space where clarity, intuition, and creative problem solving become effortless. Most people move through life in constant mental chatter, reacting to situations instead of directing them, trapped in the ordinary rhythms of stress and distraction. But when you consciously slow down, when you breathe deeply and allow your body and mind to relax, you access a state known as the alpha state, a level of brain activity where the mind is alert yet serene, highly receptive yet profoundly centered. In this state, your subconscious becomes a powerful ally, guiding you toward solutions that were previously invisible, revealing paths that logic alone could never uncover. The alpha state is not a mystical place, it is a natural rhythm of the brain, a space where your mental energy flows freely, unhindered by fear, doubt, or overthinking. Every great invention, every inspired idea, every moment of profound insight comes from this level of consciousness. When you enter it intentionally, you are tapping into a wellspring of intelligence and creativity that exists within you at all times. The process is simple but transformative. Close your eyes, breathe slowly and deeply, release tension from your body, and let your mind settle into calm awareness. In this state, problems begin to solve themselves, clarity replaces confusion, and your intuition speaks with unmistakable certainty. It is here that you can plant ideas and intentions with precision, programming your mind to manifest the results you desire. Repetition of this practice strengthens your ability to enter the alpha state at will, making it a tool you can use whenever you need insight, guidance, or creative solutions. Over time, your mind learns to operate from this calm, focused level, reducing stress, improving decision-making, and aligning your actions with your highest goals. You begin to see opportunities where others see obstacles, solutions where others see dead ends, and the path forward becomes clear and attainable. This is the natural power of the alpha state, a doorway to a life where your inner wisdom leads the way and your external world begins to reflect the focus, clarity, and insight you cultivate daily. The ability to access this state is not given, it is earned through practice, and once mastered, it transforms everything in your life, revealing that the answers you seek have always been within you. Repetition and consistency are the invisible architects of transformation, the forces that silently reshape your mind and your life when you commit to them with unwavering discipline. Many people underestimate the power of small, repeated actions, believing that change requires dramatic effort, grand gestures, or sudden breakthroughs. But real transformation does not come from a single moment of inspiration. It comes from daily, intentional practice, from doing the right thing over and over until it becomes a part of who you are. Every time you enter a focused, calm state, every time you visualize your goals with clarity, and every time you direct your thoughts intentionally, you are reinforcing new neural pathways in your brain, pathways that replace doubt with confidence, fear with courage, and limitation with possibility. Your mind learns through repetition, and the more consistently you apply this practice, the faster your subconscious aligns with your conscious intentions. Think of it as planting seeds in a garden. The first time you plant, the soil is untouched, and the seeds are fragile. But when you water them day after day, tend them with care, and return consistently, they take root, grow strong, and eventually bear fruit. Your mind operates the same way. Each session you commit to, no matter how brief, strengthens your ability to focus, sharpens your intuition, and trains your subconscious to work with you rather than against you. Over time, repetition builds momentum, and consistency transforms effort into effortless mastery. You begin to notice that challenges you once feared become manageable, decisions that once felt overwhelming become clear, and opportunities that once seemed out of reach now flow toward you naturally. The key is not perfection, but persistence. It is the steady, disciplined practice that accumulates invisible power until the life you desire becomes inevitable. When you embrace repetition and consistency, you step into the role of a conscious creator, actively shaping your thoughts, your actions, and your environment. You no longer leave your life to chance, nor do you wait for circumstances to change. Instead, you align your daily practice with your deepest intentions, knowing that each session, each effort, each repetition moves you closer to the life you were always meant to live. Transformation is not a sudden gift. It is the reward of persistent action, the natural outcome of discipline applied to the power of your mind. And once you commit to this, your life begins to unfold exactly as it should. Visualization combined with emotion is one of the most powerful tools you have to shape your reality, a force that bridges the gap between thought and experience, turning imagination into tangible results. Most people underestimate the impact of their mental images, dismissing them as mere daydreams, but the mind cannot distinguish between a vividly imagined scene and a real event when it is experienced with strong emotion. When you picture yourself achieving your goals, when you feel the excitement, the pride, and the joy as if it is happening in this very moment, you are sending a powerful signal to your subconscious mind, instructing it to align your actions, decisions, and opportunities with that vision. Visualization alone can create possibilities, but when it is infused with genuine emotion, it becomes a catalyst for transformation. The energy of emotion acts like fuel, accelerating the effects of mental imagery, imprinting these experiences deeply into your mind so that they begin to manifest naturally in your life. This is why champions, inventors, and extraordinary achievers all rely on this practice, often without realizing that it is the combination of clarity, focus, and emotional intensity that propels them beyond ordinary results. To practice effectively, close your eyes and create a detailed, sensory-rich image of your desired outcome. See the colors, hear the sounds, feel the sensations, and most importantly, experience the emotions as though it is real. Allow yourself to immerse completely, letting your mind and body respond as if it is happening now. Repeat this daily 3 times a day, and you will begin to notice subtle shifts, ideas emerging with clarity, challenges seeming less daunting and actions flowing effortlessly toward your goal. Over time, these repeated, emotionally charged visualizations rewire your subconscious mind, replacing doubts, fears, and limitations with confidence, certainty, and possibility. The more vividly and consistently you practice, the more automatic your mind becomes in attracting the circumstances, people, and opportunities that align with your vision. This is not wishful thinking, it is the science of mental programming, a method that has been proven to influence your reality when applied with discipline, emotion, and faith. Your imagination is not just a tool for dreaming, it is a laboratory for creating your life. Every image you plant with feeling becomes a seed for your future, and as you nurture it through consistent practice, your reality begins to reflect the life you have envisioned and felt in your mind. When emotion and visualization merge, transformation is inevitable, and the life you desire is already beginning to take shape within you. Daily practice has the extraordinary power to rewire your beliefs, transforming limitations into possibilities, fear into courage, and doubt into unwavering confidence. Most people carry unconscious beliefs that shape their reality without even realizing it, beliefs that quietly dictate what they allow themselves to achieve and what they believe is possible. These beliefs are like invisible chains, holding you back from the life you were born to live. But the mind is not fixed. It is highly adaptable, capable of changing its patterns when you consciously direct your focus. Each time you commit to daily practice, entering a calm state, visualizing your goals, and infusing those images with strong emotion, you are rewriting the internal programs that have kept you constrained. Repetition strengthens these new beliefs, embedding them deep into your subconscious so that they become automatic, guiding your thoughts, decisions, and actions without conscious effort. Over time, the old patterns of self-doubt, hesitation, and fear weaken, and a new sense of possibility emerges. This is not merely mental, it is a profound shift in how you experience life. You begin to notice opportunities where once you saw obstacles, solutions where once you saw problems, and confidence where once you felt uncertainty. Your mind becomes a fertile ground for growth, creativity, and empowerment, and the life you desire starts to align naturally with your intentions. The key is consistency and intention. It is not enough to practice occasionally or half-heartedly. Transformation comes from dedication, from showing up for yourself every day, no matter how small the steps may seem. Each session is a reinforcement of your new identity, a confirmation that you are capable, deserving, and powerful. As you continue, your actions become aligned with your highest vision, your habits support your goals, and your inner dialogue becomes a source of encouragement rather than limitation. You start to live from a place of confidence, clarity, and certainty, knowing that the mind you are cultivating is capable of achieving anything you focus on. This is the power of daily practice. It turns potential into reality, intention into manifestation, and belief into experience. By consistently engaging in this process, you are not only changing your thoughts, you are changing your life, and the results will ripple through every area of your existence. The transformation begins in the mind, grows through action, and manifests in reality, proving that what you train daily determines the life you ultimately live. Small, intentional actions repeated consistently have the power to transform your life in ways that seem impossible at first, because the mind and reality respond not to occasional effort, but to focused, persistent practice. Most people underestimate the cumulative effect of tiny, deliberate steps, thinking that change requires dramatic measures or sudden breakthroughs. Yet every great achievement, every profound shift in life begins with these small conscious actions carried out day after day. Each time you practice entering a calm, focused state, each time you visualize your goals and infuse them with emotion, and each time you direct your thoughts with purpose, you are sending a clear message to your subconscious mind that you are ready to receive, ready to grow, and ready to manifest the life you desire. The subconscious does not judge. It simply aligns your thoughts, habits, and behaviors with the intentions you plant consistently. Over time, these repeated intentional actions accumulate into powerful momentum, reshaping your mind, your habits, and your environment. What once seemed difficult becomes natural, what once seemed distant becomes attainable, and what once seemed impossible becomes inevitable. The key is to act with purpose, knowing that even the smallest step, when repeated, carries enormous weight. By committing to 3 daily sessions of focused practice, you are building a foundation so strong that no external circumstance can shake it. This is how extraordinary lives are created, not by luck, not by rare inspiration, but by the quiet, disciplined application of small intentional acts that compound over time. As you continue, you will notice shifts in your thinking, clarity in your decision making, and alignment in your actions. Opportunities will appear that previously seemed invisible. Obstacles will dissolve with ease, and confidence will replace hesitation. This is the natural law of consistent, intentional practice. What you nurture daily becomes your reality. Your life is not a product of chance, it is the reflection of the actions, thoughts, and focus you cultivate each day. By honoring this process, by committing to these small, deliberate exercises 3 times daily, you are effectively programming your mind for success, happiness, health, and abundance. Every session reinforces your power, strengthens your focus, and rewires your subconscious to work in harmony with your conscious desires. What may begin as a simple habit becomes the engine of transformation, proving that the life you want is not found outside of you but within, activated by consistent, intentional effort and sustained through discipline and awareness.